Here we are in the forest. We're climbing the forest right now. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's only drizzling right now. Yes, we are down. Ayan. They are trimming the trees because nowadays it's raining days. For the safety of the tourists, they have to trim down. Ayan. Look at the photos, the big leaves. Ayan guys.
Look at that guy.
Ayan, it's beautiful. You see the man there? Ayan. While doing cutting branches of trees, he is doing some vlogs also. Ayan, it's a beautiful flowers. It's like kangkong. Ayan.
Hanging bridge.
Hanging bridge. Another one. Yeah, there.
Now we have to go.
This is the how they climb there. Yeah, the stairs. Ayan. It's beautiful.
Spiral.
Spiral. Ayan. It's a beautiful. Ayan, guys. Look. Here. It's here. Look. Yeah, it's a beautiful flowers. I don't know the name of the flowers. Here we are. This is called forest. This is we are going to the Heroes here. Ayan. Here.